So we are doing the question, that is 17th question. There is a one more method which was left, that step deviation method of correlation. Likewise x and y series is there. So for doing this method, that x series is there. Now you have to calculate first of all deviation from assumed mean. So 30 minus 48 minus 18, 36 minus 48 minus 12, 42 minus 48 minus 6, 48 minus 48 0, 54 minus 48 6, 60 minus 48 12, and 72 minus 48 24, 82 minus 48 34. Likewise, and this is the another thing, initial thing which you have to do in the step deviation method, that is the step deviation in case of correlation. You have to take some common factor. This is the bigger number, so you have to make it smaller also by dividing it the common factor. Common factor I have taken over there, that is 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 24 divided by 2 12, and 34 divided by 2 17. So likewise sigma dx has been taken 20. Sigma dx square, that is you have to, now you have to taken this sigma dx, the name I have given to this series, that's dx dash. So dx dash 9 square 81, 6 square 36, 3 square 39, 6 square 36, 12 square 144, and 17 square 289. Like the total of sigma dx square, that is 605. Y is the series over there, 50 50 54, all the number are there. And then you have to taken the assume mean. Assume mean I have taken 62 over there. 50 minus 62 minus 12, 50 minus 62 minus 12, 54 minus 62 minus 8, 54 minus 62 minus 8, then 0, 66 minus 62 4, 70 minus 62 8, 82 minus 62 20. Now again you have to take the common factor. Common factor I have taken the 2, because this is the bigger number, so I have to make it smaller. That is 12 by 2 6, 12 by 2 6, 8 by 2 4, 8 by 2 4 minus 4, then 4 by 2 4 2, 8 by 2 4, and 20 by 2 by 2 10. This is the sigma dy, that will be 0. The sigma dy is 0 over there. Then now dy square, this is also known as sigma dy dash. I have given the name sigma dy dash, and so here sigma dy dash square, and there is also sigma dx dash square. 6 6 36, then again 6 square 36, 4 square 16 16, then 2 square 4, 4 square 16 again, and 10 square 100. The total will be sigma sigma dy dash, that is 224. Now dx dy will be taken. Dx is there, this is a dx dash, and this is a dy dash. They are to taken 9 6 are 54, that will be in the plus. Then 6 30, here is the 6 6 36, 3 into 4 12, 0, then 0, then 6 to the 12, 12 4 to 48, 17 10 are 170. This is the total of sigma dx dy dash, dx dash and dy dash, that will be 332. Now the formula you have to do, so nothing you have to change in the shortcut method, like you have to just put the dash, because now the common factor you have taken, so you have taken the dash. This is the thing you have taken, because you have given the name of sigma dx dash. So here after putting all the values, 8 into 3 23 32, that is sigma dx dy, that is 332, minus 20 by 6, 20 into 0, sorry, because the sigma dy dash is 0. Here n into sigma dx square, that is 604, minus 20 square, that is the sigma dx dash 20. Here 8 into sigma dy dash square, that is 224, and then sigma dy dash, that is 0 into whole square. So all the things have to be sorted out by taking the, first you have to deducting, then you have to take the root. Definitely you have to make the root 2 times, because here also you are taking the root of dx and then dy. Then after calculating all that, you will get the minus 0.94, that is the answer you will get. This is a step division method. So nothing you have to do, you are just converting dx into dx dash. So likewise you can do all the question with, you can use any of the method which you want to, if nothing has been given in the question, like actual mean method you can use, and all these you can use.